This is Joseph McMahon. Um, Task 6, Unit 2, Computer Systems. We're being asked to complete 5 out of the 7 tasks. I've highlighted the 5 tasks that I'm going to do. I'm going to start with create a maintenance task using Create Basic Task Wizard. So for that, to do that, we need to go to our Charms menu, Settings, Control Panel, System and Security, and then we need to go to Administrative Tools, and in here we're going to be able to find some of the other tasks as well. This cleanup, defragment. But we'll come back to that. What we're doing now is create basic task wizard. So we go to task scheduler. And we're going to go to actions on the right side, create basic task. I'm going to give it a name. I'm going to call it declean. So I'm going to create a disk cleaner. It's going to be the action. So you can also give a description. I should say at this point, the reason why I'm using this laptop is that the computer the computer that I did the build on, isn't operable, is inoperable, and this laptop is the only other option I have. So this is why I'm doing the tasks on this laptop, which clearly isn't the build that I did the task 5 on. That build is inoperable. Okay, so getting back to script basic task wizard, give it a name, you can give it a description. What I'm basically going to do is I'm going to go weekly as per the request in the Excel spreadsheet. Weekly, I'm going to set up this cleaner to operate. So it's going to happen on a Wednesday. I'm going to do it like a minute or two from now because I just want to show it working. Actually, I'll do a minute, maybe. No, I'll do it 2 minutes, and just to show it working. And then, okay, so it's going to happen every Wednesday. So that's the trigger. And then the action is we want this cleaner to open, so I want to start a program. I'm going to go action, and I'm going to browse, and we're in C Windows System 32 folder. This is where I can get this cleaner program. So it's clean ngr.exe. I guess CL. Okay. Here we go. Clean ngr.exe. That's our disk cleaner program. Open. Go next. And that's telling us what's happening. It's going to start every Wednesday at this time. Disk cleaner, and it starts that program. If we go to finish, we should see that program popping up within very shortly. Exit task schedule. There you go. See, so now that the simple task that we have created has popped up, and it's asking us to clean the drive, and we can choose which drive to clean and so on. So I'm just going to exit out of that and go to the next task that we need to do, and that is run disk cleanup. So if you recall, it's more or less the same procedure. So I'll just go through it from the very beginning. It's Charms menu, settings, control panel, system and security, and then administrative tools, and we go disk cleanup. And then we can select the drive that you want to clean up. So if you want to clean up the C drive, I go OK. And then it is it's calculating how much space you will be able to free on the C drive. It takes a few minutes to complete. So I'm just going to cancel that because I want to do all these tasks one after the other. And we won't have time to watch them all completed, but just to know how to do them. Sorry. So so there you go. Sorry, it's showing how much to free up. It's telling me I can free up 5 GB of space on the C drive. Downloaded program files, temporary internet files, thumbnails. Oh, the big one there is recycle bin and temporary files. Those are the big categories there. So then you can just go clean up system files and so if I just go, yeah, I'll just clean up the options that they've given me and fine. Now next what I want to look at is this defragmenter. This is in the same category, so it's in your charms menu, settings, control panel, system and security, administrative tools, and we can click defragment and optimize. So you can optimize your drives here. It's telling us which ones we want to optimize. So if I wanted to optimize my E drive, for example, or if I want to optimize my C drive, I go to optimize. So it's telling me 0% is fragmented at the moment. I go to optimize. It's going to do an analysis on the C drive, and then it will start its defragmentation process. Okay. So that's going to take some time. Look, it's going to go through that. It's going to go to 100% analyze, and then it's going to slowly start defragmenting. But again, it's the process that we're really concerned about. So I'm just going to exit out of this and move on to the next task. And the next task is creating a manual system restore point. And the way we do that is going to, again, very similar settings, control panel, system and security. So we're going to go to system, and we're going to go to system protection. And that can allow us to create a store point right now for the advisor. Okay, so create a store point. And I'm going to call it task 6, 10%, or system store. And if I create that, it's creating a restore point. So that's taking a snapshot of the system files and as currently are. And if there's any issues, we could restore the system back to this state. Windows does these system restore points automatically, and anytime you download a new program or driver. So it's creating that system restore point. Okay, successfully created. Now, if I want to restore the system to that point, I go to system restore, next here, and then I can see that there, system restore, that's system restore. So perfect. And then I would use that to restore the system if I so wished. And then the last task is check and note the set time zone. So I'm going to go to our charms menu, settings, and we're going to go change PC setting, and we go to general, and then, well, at the moment I have my system unexplainably at Central European time, so I'm going to change that back to Greenwich Mean Time. So there we go. Change back there, and you can even adjust for daylight saving time automatically. So that is that's the end of the video for the completing the 5 out of the 7 tasks. Thank you.